That Studio, how to generate profitable trading strategies, optimize, backtest, and launch it live. First, go to the That Studio website and register a trial account, and key in your particulars and sign up. Okay. After that, you get a 15 days free trial. You can log in, and the first step you go is to tools to set up the boundary of your trades. Go to setting and set up the initial account size. You can do it 10,000 in this case, or any other amount that you have been trading for and your privilege. And next, go to the acceptance criteria, where you will define the condition of your strategy. Here I like to set my minimum count for trades 50, profit factor at least 1.3, and I also like to add another condition, minimum return or drawdown. The strategy have to meet is 2. When this is up, I go to generator and define what are the currency pairs that I will trade. In this case, let's use Euro USD and 1 hour time frame. Step 2 is go to strategy properties, okay, and key in what are the entry lots that you like to trade, and define your stop loss. Here I like to use my stop loss based on fixed or trailing stop, and ranges from 20 to 200 pips. And the take profits, I like to use it for minimum between 40 to 400 pips. And next, go to the third step is the generator setting, where you identify what are the condition the strategy would like to search based on. In this case, we use net balance. After this has been defined, we click a start button, and what the platform do is it will start to look for profitable strategy using a smart logical algorithm, where you can find and mix and match a profitable strategy. As you can see here under the collection tab, there are 11 strategy that is profitable and they fulfill to my predefined acceptance criteria. Okay. How fast this works, you can see that within a short time of less than a minute, the program has already run through almost 4,000 strategy, back tested for the past 2 years on 1 hour time frame. Within each strategy, you can look at their performance. For example, this strategy, you can click in and understand how the logic. In this case, it use Bollinger Band and Forex Index, okay, and how the trades are executed individually. You can study them. You can also go to the stats info of this strategy, identify the properties. This strategy has how much is it made, the return or drawdown, the count of trades, average profit. What the program also can do now, if we go to the optimizer, where it will further optimize the parameters. From here you can see that it already made $185. You can click here and it start to optimize. From 185 it becomes 285. Now once we are happy with the strategy we created, we can click here. That means we export it to Expert Advisor. The program is smart enough to code for you, meaning to say the user do not have to know any coding language. As you can see, it already coded, download here, and this is the file. Right. From here we can copy and go to our MT4 and paste it into the Expert Advisor folder. Alright, and refresh it, whereby MT4 will compile this program, and now we can do a back test, okay, to see that how is the performance of the strategy. See, it's been profitable, same likewise from the program that we have done. Okay. Here. Okay. Now if we are happy with it, what we can do next is to launch it live. This is the EA that we have created. You drag and drop, okay, and then click OK. It has gone live. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I've shown you within less than 5 minutes we can generate a profitable strategy, optimize it, test it, and then launch it life. Thank you for watching.